Have you ever looked at an English word and thought, who invented this spelling? For example, look at these words. Though, tough, through. They all end in O, U, G, H, but they all sound completely different. English spelling can feel crazy. But don't worry. You are not alone. Even native speakers struggle with spelling. In this video, I am going to give you 7 practical tips to improve your English spelling. No boring dictionary memorization. Just real, easy steps you can start using today. Let's go! But first, why is English spelling so difficult? It is because English borrowed words from French, Latin, Greek, and German. Because of this, sounding out a word doesn't always work. The secret to good spelling isn't perfect hearing. The secret is muscle memory and recognizing patterns. Here are 7 steps to build those habits. Tip number 1, read more in English. When you read, your brain takes a picture of the words. The more you see a word, the more natural the correct spelling will look to you. Tip number 2, chunking. Do not try to memorize a long word all at once. Break it into small chunks or syllables. Take the word Wednesday. Don't learn it as 9 letters. Learn it as wed, N-E-S, day. It is much easier. Tip number 3, use memory tricks. In English, we call these mnemonics. Let's look at the word because. It is hard to spell. Just remember, big elephants can always understand small elephants. Tip number 4, write by hand. Typing is fast, but writing with a pen builds muscle memory in your hand. When you learn a new word, write it on paper 5 times. Your hand will remember it better than your eyes. Tip number 5, keep a tricky words list. You don't need to learn every word. You only need to learn the words you misspell. Keep a small notebook. Every time you make a spelling mistake, write the correct word in your book. Tip number 6, learn common prefixes and suffixes. Many English words use the same word parts. If you learn how to spell tyon, or lie, or dun, you can instantly spell hundreds of long words. Tip number 7, use spell check the smart way. When your phone or computer puts a red line under a word, do not just click autocorrect. Stop. Look at the correction. Ask yourself, what did I do wrong? Use it as a teacher, not just a quick fix. Now, I want to hear from you. What is the one English word that you always misspell? For me, it was always restaurant. Tell me your tricky word in the comments below, and let's see if other people struggle with the same word. Before we finish, we need to talk about the biggest mistake English learners make with spelling. The mistake is relying only on phonetics. That means trying to spell the word exactly how it sounds. As we learned earlier, English is not perfectly phonetic. How do you fix this? Trust your eyes, not just your ears. If you write a word and it looks wrong, it probably is. Check your dictionary, and then practice writing it by hand to fix the visual picture in your brain. Remember, improving your spelling is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time. Do not get angry with yourself. Celebrate your small wins. Every new word you learn is a step toward fluency. If you found these tips helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy English tips. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.